We've made it down to the lake with a couple of boats. Got perfect conditions for a test. Nice and glassy. Let's go and take a look at those boats. There's Rescue 17. Fix the lights now. Glued that mast back up. That's all ready to go on a maiden voyage with that beefed up cooling system. And there's the little Swamp Dawg. Give that a blast as well while we're here. It's going to be great, the conditions we got.
The Swamp Dawg switch, it's very dodgy. In there actually.
Righto, we've done a little check there. Everything's working. Place the boat in the water, prime that pump, make sure we got good flow. Give it a quick run around the lake. Looks like we're just going to manually prime it there. Get that hose on the output and just suck that pipe until there's a bit of water. Here's the moment of truth. That's perfect. Put that lid on. It's going to stay nice and cool for all that slow manoeuvring.
really good. Do you want to go this way?
Oh, yeah. Righto, so this is exactly why we got the rescue boat. The Swamp Dawg is out of gas. Oh, I might make it back in.
That's it, lucky.
Lucky run.
Good run though for his first run with the 4S.
Really happy with the performance of that.
Need to beep up.
Yeah, need a battery monitor on those lipos so we don't toast them. The pump motor got really hot then.
She stopped pumping water.
It did stop pumping, yeah. Have to check out what happened there. Gonna need that extra cooling pipe around that motor before the drive motor for sure.
And the steering, something done with that. Sure.
Just got to get some epoxy. Or maybe some zapper gap or something.
Yeah.
Glue that rudder in properly. Apart from that, pretty good run.